Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best thinking games is probably one of the most effective ways to boost your children's cognitive skills, problem-solving abilities, and creativity, transforming their playtime into a valuable learning experience. In this video, we will explore some of the top-rated thinking games for kids of all ages and skill levels, helping you choose the perfect fit for your child's needs and interests, ensuring they have fun while developing essential skills for future success. Number 5. Melissa and Doug's Suspend game. Get ready for a thrilling balancing act. This game is perfect for family game nights or solo play, offering hours of edge-of-your-seat excitement. It comes with everything you need: game rods, a sturdy base, colored die, and more. Everything is ready for immediate fun. Whether you're playing alone or with friends, it's simple to pick up but offers a surprising challenge. It's a great game for all skill levels. Gather the family for some friendly competition and create lasting memories. It's a fantastic way to bond and have fun together. It's not just entertainment, it helps develop hand-eye coordination, cognitive skills, and even interpersonal skills. Plus, it's made with responsibly sourced materials. Looking for a unique and engaging gift? This game is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's sure to be a hit. What we like? It's a thrilling balance game that will keep everyone engaged. It also helps develop hand-eye coordination and cognitive skills. If you're looking for a fun, educational game for the whole family made with sustainable materials, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Easy to learn, hard to master. The concept is simple: add rods to the growing structure without causing it to tumble. Yet, the challenge grows with every turn, making it exciting for kids and adults alike. The pieces are well made, with a smooth finish that ensures safety for kids. It is interesting and very interesting to play. There are many ways to play and it is very challenging. Keeps kids busy and is pretty much unbreakable. Wires that you build and balance are very sturdy and not dangerous for correct age group. Number 4. ThinkFun Rush Hour game. Introducing the Rush Hour Traffic Grid game. It's a fun and challenging game for all ages. Get ready to strategize and solve puzzles. With 40 brand new challenge cards, it offers a range of difficulty levels, from beginner to expert. Each card presents a unique traffic jam to solve. You'll have 15 different cars and trucks to maneuver around the grid. The goal is to strategically move them to free the red escape car. The red car is your escape vehicle. Your challenge is to find the right sequence of moves to get it out of the traffic jam. It comes with a convenient GameGo bag for easy storage of the game pieces and cards. Take it with you wherever you go. It's perfect for developing problem-solving skills. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, you'll find a challenge you enjoy. What we like? With 40 challenges ranging from beginner to expert, it offers endless replayability. It's also compact and easy to take on the go. If you like a good brain teaser that you can play anywhere, then this game is for you. Number 3. Hapinest Find and Seek. It's a game for the whole family. With 35 illustrated cards, it's perfect for keeping everyone entertained, no matter where you are. Designed for ages 3 and up, it's simple enough for toddlers but engaging for older kids too. Just pick a card and go. Each card features a fun picture that sparks curiosity and encourages kids to explore their surroundings. It's a great way to learn and have fun at the same time. It's compact and portable, making it ideal for road trips, beach days, or camping adventures. Keep the kids entertained on the go. It's a great way to promote active play and interaction with the world around you. It's educational and fun for kids of all ages. What we like? This scavenger hunt game is super simple to learn and play, making it perfect for all ages. It can be played indoors or outdoors, and is small enough to take on any adventure. If you are looking for a fun and engaging game for road trips or family outings, this is it. What people say. Great quality cards and carrying case. We hiked with a 4, 8, and 12-year-old and they enjoyed hunting each time we took a rest. I bought a couple of these card game packs and gave them as gifts, and every family I gave them to said they loved them because it got them out of the house and away from their phones and electronics. Great to take out and about. My kids love using these when we are out for a walk, keeps them going. Comes in a handy little bag also. Number 2. Lily Hevesh H5 Dominoes. It's time to build. This set has 100 neon dominoes and accessories to create amazing chain reactions. Let's get started. With this complete set, you can build countless custom domino art creations. The possibilities are endless. Each domino measures 24 mm x 7.5 mm x 48 mm. They are perfect for creating intricate designs and stunning displays. Kids and adults will love creating and watching these domino masterpieces tumble. It's a perfect family activity. Make unforgettable memories with this engaging game. It's perfect for family game nights, outdoor fun, or even camping trips. This set includes 100 dominoes, 2 half bridges, 3 field starters, 1 template, and easy-to-follow instructions. Everything you need to start building. It's covered by the Spin Master Care commitment, ensuring quality and fun for years to come. What we like. This set includes 100 colorful dominoes and accessories, allowing for countless creative designs. It's a great way to spend quality time with family. If you enjoy creative building and collaborative play, this is the perfect choice for your family game night. What people say. Improved surface texture, confirmed grips the floor noticeably more. Dominoes slide less. Some tricks that require domino sliding might need to be modified. Dominoes fall a lot more consistently. Texture does feel great, color does look a lot more uniform, and they look great on camera. These are fun colors and heavy enough that they stand up nicely. My 5 and 8-year-olds had fun building, and liked the little ramps included to add height to their creations. Easily goes back in the box for storage. We were able to all do as a family, and our kids worked on teamwork and patience. The H5 Domino Creations 100-piece neon set is a vibrant and engaging toy that provides hours of entertainment for kids of all ages. With its colorful dominoes and endless creative possibilities, it's a fantastic choice for game nights, building enthusiasts, and outdoor play. The dominoes are made of durable plastic, ensuring they can withstand the rigors of enthusiastic building and toppling without losing their vibrant colors or breaking easily. Number 1. Funtactics Wooden Matching Game 3.0. Let's see what's inside. It includes 25 blocks, 60 cards, a victory bell, and everything you need for a fun game night. This game is designed for up to 5 players, with 5 difficulty levels to challenge everyone. The more lines on the card, the harder it gets. It's a fast-paced, tactical game that's perfect for family game night. Challenge your friends and family to a fun and engaging match. It's more than just a game. It helps develop fine motor skills, shape recognition, and problem-solving abilities. It's great for kids and adults alike. Gather around and create lasting memories. It's a great icebreaker and a fun way to spend quality time with loved ones. It's beautifully packaged and makes a fantastic gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a screen-free alternative that everyone will enjoy. What we like. It's a unique puzzle game designed for up to 5 players, complete with a victory bell. It's also educational, helping to develop problem-solving skills. If you're looking for a fun and engaging game for a large family gathering, this is the one for you. What people say. There are 5 levels of difficulty, so you can start at whatever level you want, or just mix and match the levels. The blocks are solid wood, very heavy and sturdy, so I think this set will last for many years. Adults and my 6-year-old nephew love this game. Good for problem solving and testing your speed. Well made, comes with instructions, bell, bag and box to store. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.